How does a Roth IRA work? Coming up. Hey guys, welcome back. It's Kevin J. Pino. If you're new here, I'm just a regular guy working part-time on the internet. I have a full-time job, a family, all those things. I want to help you out on your investments and making money online, maybe building a side business. If you're into any of those things and you want more content, hit the subscribe button. And let's jump into today's content. So it's the Roth IRA. How does it work? We've talked about 401ks, Roth 401ks. If you're jumping into this video in the middle of this series, it's actually a series of videos. I'll leave a card right here to get you back to the beginning so you can go through and stay up to speed with the rest of the viewers. So I'm going to jump into some doodles, explain to you what a Roth IRA is and how it works and how it's different from everything else that we've discussed right now. Okay, just like an IRA, company ABC holds the bucket which holds all your funds, and it's called a Roth IRA. Think of the fish from the original video where it's you feed the fish money, they grow, you sell them later. In an IRA, as compared to a 401k, is you have more options. 401k, you only have 20 or so that your employer picked out. IRA, you can essentially buy anything on the market, and it's tax-free. Well, not tax-free, but you make money, pay taxes now, put it in the bucket. Those investments grow over time. You sell them at 59.5 because that's when you can take out of retirement accounts without being penalized when they're worth more. Or you withdraw as it grows. And this is, again, I don't know if I mentioned this, but all these are a long-term strategy. These are for when you're older. So there's penalties for taking stuff out early for Roths or any IRA and that stuff in 401ks. But so the example of taxes on this is you have $100 out of your paycheck now, or however you made your money. You pay the 20% tax bill, and this is, you pay it now up front. And I'm going to give you a good tip, so you want to hit that subscribe button because you're going to want more content on what I'm going to tell you later. You're going to like this tip, all right? So you pay that in the current year, and actually 401k you pay weekly out of your check, but in IRAs, okay, you put the money in now, all of it, and it's tax-free later. And actually, you can take the principal amount you put in after 5 years in a Roth IRA with no penalty. Not what's grown and not the dividends and interest, but what you put in. So if you put one deposit up to your $6,000 in now, and 5 years later, you can take it out, right, with no penalty. It's the best long-term plan, in my opinion. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Talk to a financial advisor, and I'll give you some things that you can do to get a hold of them in the description below. Okay, so that is the simple explanation of what a Roth IRA is. Now, if you've been following along, there are slight differences to all of these things. A Roth IRA you have a bit more control on, and you can defer your taxes a bit more for the future. It's a pretty good tool. If you still think that some of these plans aren't the best for you, for your future, and you want to get into an online business, the first link in the description below is a link to a 15-day online business builder challenge. I implore you to check it out. It's what I use. It's what I believe in. I think you should check it out. If not, there's a link to Bloom in the description below. That'll help you with your 401k, or Wealthfront, which is a great tool that I use personally to invest in my IRA. Now, a disclaimer: I'm not a financial professional. This is not financial advice. Talk to a financial advisor. This is for all entertainment purposes and educational purposes only, all right? And in the next video, I'm going to show you what a individual account is, just a traditional investment account, and what the difference is between that and 401ks and IRAs, all right? Coming up in the card or the screen right over here, I'll click right here and something else will pop up somewhere else. Don't worry about that, or check it out.